one of the states in UAE. So as you can see, wala lang.
Hello ba?
Ito.
Ang virgin ng ilaw.
Meron ako kasama dito, napakaganda.
Salamat po.
Napakaganda.
Hindi naman
Sabi mo,
napakaganda.
Super ganda. Wait lang, isa-isa.
Ay, isa.
Napakaganda.
Dapat maganda yung intro mo sa akin.
And then, meron po kami kasama. Ito po yung famous vlogger namin.
Kumikita.
Kumikita kabahayan.
Yung master namin dito.
Say hi!
Inspiration, motivation.
Shoutout dyan po sa...
Shoutout.
Manonood niya.
Shoutout nyo po kami
Oo,
mamaya.
shoutout din kita.
Sa
Mention mo rin yung
YouTube nyo.
Mention ko din yan. Nakakap ko yung ano.
And then, meron po kaming driver.
Alright!
So, wala po akong anything. Ang ambag ko lang sa buhay is magtrabaho.
Mag-drive.
At
matulog.
At matulog.
Shake lang. Fujairah.
So today is Eid.
Hello, hi everyone. I just want to greet my family in Davao City. I would like to know that I'm fine here, striving for life.
Next.
May gusto ka na itong tanan. Mo, sa'yo, sa greet sa Bisaya.
Ngayong hapon.
Ano ba? Sa'yo, greet na mo. Greet lang ko sa Bisaya. Mo, upasumbagay. Mupasumbaray.
Magpasumbagay.
Pasumbagay ko sa akin. Pasumbagay ko sa akin.
Next.
Hello!
Hi, this is our famous vlogger here.
Si Miss Kim.
Miss Kay.
Miss K.
Miss K.
Miss K in Satwa.
At sumasahod sa YouTube.
28K.
Uy!
Disclose.
Don't disclose. English yun.
Why we don't disclose? It's already closed. So it's on June 16th of the month and we're celebrating
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Yeah.
So in Filipino, we are very happy because we have holidays. So it's a long weekend for us, right?
So we started like yesterday until Tuesday. So we have
until
4
Tuesday.
days.
Yeah, the weather is fine. Yeah, right?
Yeah,
39
it's so nice.
degrees
Yeah, it's okay. Actually, we're used to it already.
We're used to it.
Saba dia!
Ano mo sabihin?
It's been so hot lately. I don't
Saba.
know. But they
The,
said that
the heat is scorching.
Huh?
cold chain.
Scorching
Scorching heat. Yeah. That's
Hastang inita.
Yeah.
Scorching.
But you know the hottest month of the year is, I think it's August or July.
It will be July and
So
August.
this is just a preview of what will happen
Yeah.
the following months.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So currently we are
So we're
indulging
the-
our meal.
Well, indulging. Indulging in the
Yeah. So what do you eat? It's sandwich.
What do I eat?
It's drink, that's drink.
And that's drink.
Yeah.
So what
Don't
I
show it. We are not.
what I
paid yet.
drank is what I drank is baraka.
What I drank. You drank.
And I
what
ate.
I'm drinking. What I'm drinking
Yeah.
is coffee. Hello?
Shout out to my friends there in Dubai, also in Satwa. Like we're very far from
From each other.
Dubai. It's like another continent. I think Ajman. Hi, why it's so very pretty in the...
Why are you so pretty? Can you tell me your secret?
Oh my
secret?
god! Oh my god! I actually don't have a secret.
Oh, you don't have
Because
a
I'm gonna
secret?
tell it to here.
Oh, so sorry.
Yeah.
That's why it's a secret. We cannot tell it.
Yeah, you're gonna tell it.
No, it's
It's been
fine.
a rough day
So
for me
what is
lately.
your biggest secret that you can
My biggest
expose it to
secret?
everyone?
Pakit lang.
Actually, when I was 8 years old,
lang, sige.
Wait. Bakit may ganito kasi?
Oh my God.
When you were 8 years old, and what did you do?
I recall it was the saddest time of my life.
Saturday?
Bakit? What happened?
My dog died.
And that's so sad.
Yeah, from AIDS.
Oh my God.
Age, edad ba? Edad?
From age.
Age.
Kala.
AIDS.
Sorry po.
Old age, not old age. Yeah, that's a secret. For me, it was a very rough thing in my entire career.
That's.
Why are you laughing? This is a
like how
non-laugh
you
zone. This is a
pronounce it.
non-laugh zone.
Non-love.
Yeah.
Wala po kaigat ng pagkasal.
Why is my boob showing off?
No,
Wala, tagatawa na lang ako.
don't show it. Don't show it off because people will see it.
Yeah, I don't like people seeing me. Especially in front of the camera.
So you're shy. You're camera
Shy
shy.
type. Camera shy.
Vlogger.
I'm introvert actually.
Introvert.
Introvert is spell.
Spell.
Ay, happy
Basta
is
mayayain
coming.
na lang.
Baby is coming. Ganda natin dito.
So bara.
Let's go na.
It's gonna on. So yan guys, so nasa ano tayo? Nasa border tayo ng UAE. And then nakikita nyo ba yan? Pag lumagpas lang kayo dyan, nasa Oman na kayo. See, Ilangoy. So pag Ilangoy pala, pag Nilangoy. Langoy lang kayo dyan guys.
Punta dun sa beach. Yun ang beach.
And then pagpunta na doon, yung beach na yon, kita niyo guys. And here, ano yan? Oman na yan. Nice, very nice here. Then yung tubig guys, so kung nakikita nyo lang personally, ano siya, blue talaga. Yeah, very nice. Init nga lang, pero carry na. So ito guys, so pag lumagpas ka dyan, Oman, nasa Oman ka na. Pas ka dyan. Pero pagdating mo dito, nasa UAE ka. Paglagpas mo doon, nasa Oman ka na. Galing no? One of the best Thai restaurant here in UAE. Thai Gate. Hi. Look at this. Thai Gate. Sarap guys. Oh.
Marami kasi blend pa dito.
Kunin ko na ito isa, okay lang. Kakahiya naman sa ulo niya. Kaya lang.
Good food with a good people.
Kunin mo na yung isang shrimp.
With a good vibe. Guys, sarap.
Thailand.
This is so amazing guys. You
We're
should
also
visit
Thai,
Thai Gate.
brother.
So nice.
No.
No Thai.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
It's a feast guys. It's a feast.
Pinakamahabang tunnel na papasukan natin, guys. Tingnan nyo. Grabe, sa sobrang haba, hindi pa kami nakapasok.
Al-Mutaka Tunnel.
Al-Mutaka tunnel.
1
accent, di ba? Parang sakit ka din.
Na mahaba.
Habang yun ito.
Galing no. Grabing infrastructure.
Ako, di ko to kaya mag-drive dito mag-isa. Para ako, kikilabutan ako dito.
Parang kukunin ka kasi yung sasakyan mo.
Grabe mahaba talaga yung tayo. Parang 1 kilometer yung tunnel no?
More than siguro to.
More than?
Hmm.
Grabe yung haba.
Ito lang.
Liwanag na.
Liwanag na.
Alam na po yung liwanag na.
Mamanag na. Viral ko. Grabe ang haba.
Mas ano dito pag gabi.